Hi teachers, today we are going to be learning about a new function on Teachers Pay Teachers. So, once you log in to Teachers Pay Teachers, you have things that you've already purchased, or you can go and look for things. But what's awesome is that now they've decided you can have some of the things that you've downloaded won't have an option for this digital activity, but I think when you search, you can search for things that are just TPT digital activities. And then, again, some of them are paid. You can also search to find free ones. And then some of them are free. So basically what this does is that it gives you an option so that you have a digital activity. And then you can assign it through your Google Classroom. I'm going to go to my purchases, things that I've already purchased. And basically I'm going to show you if I open something as a TPT digital activity, what it looks like. So it loads. There's options to edit the pages. So let's say I want this first page, but I don't need my students to know all this other information. And this could be your letter for parents. You can add things from the original, so you can select everything. You can only put one page, whatever you want, but you can always take them back from the original if you delete them. So basically all of this stuff is for the teacher. So I could technically get rid of all of these pages. And if I want to, then I can just click remove, they'll remove, and then, but I'm going to cancel for now. But so basically what I'm going to show you is then, if I go down to where I have, let's say, this fascinating facts, and I have the kid's name, the page number, what they learned. So instead of you needing any other tools, this is already a worksheet. I'm going to put answer boxes. So I'm going to give an answer box for the name. Oh, and let's try that one more time. I'm going to give an answer box for the name. Oh, and I have my select tool. I have to click my answer box. There we go. So we have my answer box here, and then it says answer preview. And then I have a page number here so that kids can type in their answers and then what they learned. So if I want to just duplicate, all I have to do is click on the box and click Control Copy, Control Paste, or Control C and Control V. And then again, I can just make all those boxes the same size and drag them to where I want them to go. And then same thing with this one. I could say what I learned, and I can copy and paste that down so that it looks uniform. So now my students, instead of having just a blank sheet that they can't edit, they're going to see it here in Teacher. You have it here in your Teacher Pay Teacher. And now the only other thing that's really awesome about this is that we have this option to assign it, like I said earlier, through Google Classroom. So I'm going to copy this and paste, and copy this and paste. Okay. So now my digital worksheet is ready, and I can add anything in here that I want to as well. I can use a text pen, highlight, and then I can preview this. So now I can see that when my students get it, and I also can title it up at the top. So I'm going to say fascinating facts, and then it's going to say done. And then I'm going to assign that, and I share my link in Classroom. I just click right there on the Classroom link, and then I choose my class, and then I assign it just like I would any other assignment. And I create my assignment, and I say go, and like it says, it gives me all the others. So we have our TPT digital activities. If I click to see where that's going to take me, then you can say this is a student link, and you can open the activity in preview mode, and you can see the activity, and they can use this text pen, highlighting tool, all that stuff. So now they have a link, and then they're able to create those, and then they can turn them in as well. So Teacher Pay Teacher, if you do have, like I said, if you do have any things you've already purchased that you're thinking, oh, I wish I could make this a digital activity, well, there is a way to do that now. And some activities now on Teacher Pay Teachers are just digital, so there's that as well. And if you have any questions about Teacher Pay Teacher, definitely you can schedule time to meet with me through my website on Carbon School District. So you go to Carbon Schools, you click your menu, you can go down to the educator resources and the Digital Learning Hub website. If you can click connect, then you can always click here to schedule an appointment with me. And that means you can, any of these open boxes, this is where I'm scheduled, and then any box that's that gray color you can click on and you can schedule a meeting with me. So if you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to call. My number is also on here, so my extension is just 3139. So I hope that helps, and I hope if you're a teacher, pay teacher advocate like me, that you'll use this cool digital activity tool.